for those of you that don't follow me on Instagram, I spontaneously bought a car last weekend, and this is it. It is a 1992 Toyota Paseo, full spec, as you can see. Lovely retrimmed interior, full 90s/2000s steering wheel and whiteness. But the only real reason that I bought it, well, apart from the fact of wanting to save it from sitting forever and doing nothing, is that it has a Starlet GT4E FTE, but it has two CT12A 1JZ turbos on it. I bought it non-running, and it needs a bit of stuff, but hopefully I can get it running. So among the few things that is wrong with this car is the fuel pump is dead. So thank you, Brody, for donating this fuel pump. So now I've got to pull the seats out so I can get to the fuel tank and pull the old fuel pump out. Alright, got the back seat out, and just need to unplug that, a couple of screws, plate comes off, and now we can get to the fuel pump. So I've undone the pipes and the bolts around there, and one fuel pump. So now I'm going to pull that old one off and put the one that Brody gave me on. New fuel pump fitted. So now we can put it back in and see if we get fuel pressure. Fuel pump's all back together. So now we'll see if we can get some fuel pressure. Don't mind all the dodgy stuff going on in here. That was how I got it, unfortunately. Good news, we have fuel pressure. So now I can work on putting all these oil hoses back together, put some oil in it, and then hopefully we can start it. Right, I have finished fitting all the oil feeds and drains and put some oil in. So I guess we'll see if it runs now. Also put some stuff in the interior back together to try and make it a little bit neater. Look at that! Woo! Oh, that's a good start. Alright, see if I can make some intercooler piping and put a radiator in and take it for a drive. So I tried to make some intercooler piping out of stuff I had laying around home, but
because of how weird the layout is for that twin setup. I didn't have anything small enough or that have the right bends or anything like that. And after contacting a few of my fabricating friends, they said it's probably going to be 500-ish bucks or something like that to make up some intercooler piping or custom stainless stuff or whatever. And because I never intended to keep this car, I don't want to spend that much money on it. So that's probably where the journey with the Paseo is going to end with me. So I've put it up for sale, and the proceeds from that will go towards my other projects, which I will probably show you in the next video. So like, comment, subscribe, and yeah, hopefully you enjoyed it. Thanks.